This video shows you the damage to the fire department there in Greenfield. The only reason the fire department remained standing during the storm was because of a wall that the building collapsed in a fire truck that was parked inside. That truck kept the entire wall from giving way. Firefighters worked through the night, the day of the tornado, searching for victims and helping survivors. WHO 13's Jason Parkin is live near the Adair County Memorial Hospital. First responders were critical minutes, hours, and days after that storm. Jason.
You know, they were in the hospital, obviously behind me here. That was hit. Many of the windows were knocked out. The lab was destroyed. The fire station you mentioned is about a half a block to my right, and I was in there a couple of days later. A lot of emergency response coming out of that building. When we got to town, there were patients coming out of the hospital, walking down the street in hospital gowns down Highway 92 to the Casey's where they had assembled. You know, this tornado began in Page County and went 44 miles in 46 minutes, ended up in town here, and it was in town where the strongest winds were measured at 185 miles per hour, or estimated, I should say. A portable Doppler radar estimated winds about 144 feet off the ground to as high as 318 miles an hour. Those were the strongest winds, some of the strongest winds ever measured on planet Earth. So when something like that happens in a community, obviously first responders become very, very critical and very, very needed. And some of these folks had lost homes in this tornado while they were responding to the damage that happened that day. We talked to Jeremy Cooper, who's the emergency manager for Guthrie and Adair County today, and here's what he had to say about them.
And that's a huge testament to that volunteer fire department. Their fire station was destroyed too. It sat right over here, and they basically lost everything that day, you know, and they didn't care, you know. I mean, they did care, but they didn't care at that moment. They knew that they had lives to save that day.
It's heartening to see the progress that has been made here. I hadn't been here since Ragbri, when there was corn growing up in the streets from the seed that had been dropped in town after the tornado went through. But there's still a lot of work to do and a lot of rebuilding to happen here in Greenfield. For now, we'll send things back to you guys.
Absolutely, Jason. Thanks so much.